Hey guys, it's all around Danny. In this video showing you guys how to calculate the initial vertical velocity of a projectile. So in this case, it would be Vy. It's very similar to calculating the horizontal velocity. The only difference is that we switch cosine for sine. So it would be Vy equals the initial velocity in the diagonal direction times sine theta. And of course, theta is the angle at which the projectile is launched. So we know that theta is 30 degrees, and the initial velocity in the diagonal direction is 50 meters per second. And now all we do is plug these numbers into our formula. So we would get 50 times sine 30, 50 times 0.5, and then the initial velocity in the y direction, same thing as vertical, it would be equal to 25 meters per second. So that's it when it comes to finding the initial vertical velocity. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.